Hi, I'm the word historian, and this is the etymology of silhouette. A silhouette is something we are all capable of having, but did you know that this word was actually used in the financial sense? Oh, and most of my viewers are not subscribers, so if you like this video, then like and subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. Thank you and enjoy the video. Silhouette is defined as the dark shape and outline of someone or something visible against a lighter background, especially in dim light. But you knew that, didn't you? So where did silhouette come from? This goes back to the 18th century. Etienne de Silhouette studied finance and economics in France, and even spent a year in London learning about how the economy of Britain works. He translated many works by Alexander Pope, Henry Bolingbroke, and William Warburton into French. These works were about politics, religion, and government. This achievement granted him the position of Controller General of Finances under King Louis XV. It was in this position where he was tasked to curb France's debt and strengthen finances for the 7 Years' War against Britain. He managed to reduce royal household spending, revise state pensions, and encourage free trade by getting rid of outdated taxes and establishing new ones to support a unified French market. Silhouette did a forecast for 1760 and found an income of 286 million livres and expenses adding up to 503 million livres with a debt of 94 million on top of all of that. To help reduce the debt, Silhouette decided to use the English method of taxing the rich and privileged, although the nobility and church were exempt from taxes. That must be nice. Silhouette ended up making a tax on external signs of wealth, such as doors, windows, farms, luxury goods, servants, and profits. Silhouette also took a war measure of melting down goldware and silverware, but was criticized by nobility who thought that this measure wasn't suitable for wartime. After his death in 1767, his nephew and heir, Clement de Lage, completed his work. Many people had hostilities towards Silhouette, and due to his penny-pinching manner, the term à la silhouette was applied to anything cheap or austere. During the 19th century, an art form started to grow in popularity which provided a simple, inexpensive alternative for those who couldn't afford more decorative forms of portraits. Those who considered it cheap called it silhouette, and to this day, this type of art form is called silhouette cutting or art. It was also during this time period where the verb was recorded from the noun. What do you think about silhouette? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Oh, and ring that bell for notifications. I hope you learned something new. This was the etymology of the word silhouette. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.